Hi, my name is Julia. I am Marketing Manager from Advanced Communities. In this video, I will show you a quick overview of the 6 most interesting features of the Salesforce Winter 22 Experience Cloud release. Let's dive in! The first point is Salesforce CDN Content Delivery Network. CDN is a powerful tool that allows companies that have sites with big traffic to support strong connection without interruptions. To automatically use CDN, you just need to activate Enhanced Domain, but first you need to enable the Use Salesforce Edge Network checkbox. Go to Setup My Domain, enable the Use Salesforce Edge Network checkbox, then enable the Use Enhanced Domain checkbox, and click Save. Wait until your new domain is provisioned and deploy it. Now you see a notification about using CDN when publishing your site, and your site's URL displays the my.site.com domain instead of force.com. The next point is new components in Experience Builder. Note that these components are available only for LWR sites, such as Build Your Own and microsite templates for Experience site. The new components are banner, button, horizontal line, image, text block, tile, and video. Now you have more opportunities to make your site look exactly like you've imagined. Look how you can customize your site. There is also a new advanced color palette and 2 new items in the Experience Builder theme menu, buttons and forms. You can now customize the shape, text, size, and other buttons parameters using this new property. It is also possible to specify the edge shape of form elements, such as input fields and checkboxes, and the thickness of the border around these elements. The next feature is a new Enhanced Personal Information Management setting. This feature replaces the Hide Personal Information tool, which is more restricted and which will be deleted in the future releases. Using the new feature, you can select up to 20 fields that will be considered as your personal information. To activate this setting, go to Setup, User Management Setting, and enable the Enhanced Personal Information Management tumbler. You can consider any field on the user object as your personal information by adding or removing the personal info item in the compliance categorization section. And the last point is the ability to select the default language for your site. This feature also is available only for LWR sites. You can select any language supported by Experience Cloud. To do this, go to the Settings tab in the Experience Builder, then go to the Languages tab and select the language. We hope you enjoy our videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. Goodbye!